Okay, if I make it go no sense. Jpac a post to go video where T page what I go where T page that particular native doctor Ngor-Okpala. Now the question is, how can somebody with 66 followers, how can somebody with 66 followers send a video a follow mfuye ndozo ni nefia? How can somebody with 66 followers from the time Jpac is we post to ka ndo to her nda na do mma 66 of them you follow that page? If I neku odogo anya now, you just don't understand the conspiracy that is going on. And with a lot of conspiracy that is going on, people are conspiring in their both little ways and in their big ways, which they are all failing. 66 followers on Wetalo just after Jpac post today. Now the question is, can look and them madu si we name with a video on name and they send the Jpac direct on a post to it. Actually, the only supposedly they post here and Ngor-Okpala, but only I do too smart or go for do. Sometimes only I do too smart. Of whom if he bring a mother out for ridicule outrightly or avoid there, bully buje 19 work on you or then in a canny or then in a cake will I cross you. If I'm a water, would take a cross you. Or just God in his benevolence. We can also stay when I'm with a jam buhenilo. So don't even go to that man's page. I am appealing to you, all you Zionites. Because when you build the page here, or power evangelist Gobi, power Zion ministry. And sometimes we always have a way of going to build engagement on their post. You people should not go and follow that page. Happen here, so let me know how much and how well he can entertain them. 3 days program may end go today. Career young go. Any other thing on the Kuzuko from today henceforth. Never do. God of evangelism could be a meunka. Avoid that page complete. Don't even go there. Engagement. Yes. Because ha bachanya lapote shock I have build oye. Go when we a second voice or a third voice from the same family Ngor-Okpala. So that on a name with so many voices Ngor-Okpala, whereas not from the same family, from the same imene, can we the mind of Ngor-Okpala ni ndem bishi ni ne. Come point to us. So if I kita or make it go sense to you, or make it go sense to you, if I not capable of bring disunity among Igbos, Jpac can like identifying, I don't know why. I don't know why. We people are known for building and not destroying. I don't know why you will choose to always identify yourself with the katakata, with even with disunity, with even with the words of war. Page go as a content creator. Run away from all these things. Good enough. Now after that, people don't like us now based on certain things. Let us assume that Eziokwu is a typical content creator, which I'm not. You want to go? If you can move for the thing where you can say, okay, Nda battle last year into blogging, you know that kind of a thing. But abroad, somebody like you, they claim money no go in this game more than 10 years. How? If you go somebody do executive, if you go somebody do Yambaba, if you go somebody do Apama, Noli, if you go somebody do Bofa, there are quite a number of them. If for her name may all this rubbish. Some people in the portal openly. Somebody do go on your bodo, the thing you book career. In fact, the thing book career on your bodo. Because we know today, we don't see much thing name na side onya. You gotta go. If not that, na Chineke meri ebere. We will go with na content. We lay a business foundation. Na carry here today. And now wanna a face on your that they can call him for event and all that. It will be onyo bude go career here. Final. Mana, how many of all these old guys can Africa na ba udiegwa Jpac na ba? You gotta go. How many of them I don't need to impress you for you to give me business. I don't need to impress you for you to give me endorsement. I don't need to impress you for you to give me advert. I don't need to live Matthias' life for me to gain the face of some certain people on our target. People will always use you at your weakness and drop you there and go to the next person. So I don't know when that young man here overgrow all this kind of pettiness. With disunity, in or there. You are promoting the guy. Kelu page the guy you when post to videos na he negotiate. One name cousin brother cannot do that because no man no me people are doli ye more. Yeah. Oh man no me people are doli ye more. Oh man no me you know you always subject to ridicule. Oh man at the height of this program and the kind of successes people record and testimony people that if we ever come out with such thing, no you have a backlash on him left, right and center. Or dodge kulu nwanne nwoke kuwigu kulu nwanne nwoke kuwigu ibulu because iwu okoto obulu osinenu ibulu osinana ibulu provided na engagement na abia eya olukwa na the time eya no kata onwe for the content eya fi wopu onu na eba no nwelu for the na fasim no I can't talk about this I happen ya e wata go ana me make it onwukulu nke ya de me e wata go na the mood program Ngor-Okpala no and the successes and good deed and what is happening that is not a better time to create those controversy. A lot of people gonna have name if azobusi onwe ha na report to see on even name nde nugunwenka na report ngunwa decide they have to come out in your own usual way. Emukono nwe if na wopo na no wele ri. He post to go page ye ki promote oye. Because you have decided to do so. Page promotion now. In select to select. Ijeku Yambaba for page promotion. Yambaba ya ju kedife page ya all about. Yambaba ya well send the alum link page ya kan nene. Yambaba ya juga jojo. I did it with them, so I know what I'm talking about. So page in welu 66 followers. After more than 1 hour, 2-3 hours, each way post here. Meaning no that time can do komo ki begu. Mande lakotarunde follow here. Contract for that job. Follow that page. Kelebe this young man who see when a mezi video ni na and the madam have. So na page you go see apota. Eme video nyegu I post to. Eme video nyegu I post to. If that the other time uko na heart attack no merenka. All those things is to draw unnecessary attention to that man. And I am telling the Zionite, do not fall into that. Una build go more pages. Stop building further. Stop building further. Leave those guys. Let them make noise and go in. If they find out that you are not engaging with them, if they find out that you are not doing what they will face or explore another talent. Do not allow them. Also, when you tetola one day kuona Zion ground on our walk, never yendu shelunu. Ono ya no update ya. Oba wako zo hezo. Property done at Zion is so massive that no one familiar it will draw the attention of state government. No even the national television. Zion ablozi a personal issue or local government issue. State and country can talk about it. In case if you don't know. Abi you don't know? Yes. So don't even go to that page or target there to go and know what is happening there. Because everybody or name engagement. Only two views. Only 3. Only also only 4. And people are going and Zion now build the pages more. Do not allow them to use you this time. Allow that young man. Nyana entertain Jpac and do to her. Those people are below the target. Ndana target won't go. Do not play into their trap. We have told you that young man it cannot be a coincidence. Now, kill platform which we whip that video is or Jpac can that video name. Now, being not draw attention to that man. If a meziriwu, a mepe zero the man page. Nezie contract ya may if owner go promote with that man. Before you marry even name from 66 followers here, or ya, Ijekwe ba, Jena where ni Yemenka. Fapria, if you metaro, Nyabulu. And if you're gonna cousin brother, Urilanya Kou, I know Urilanya has decided not to do this job, even though he may not be ignorant of what is happening. But he decided not to be in the forefront, but decided to leave Jpac to be in front. Share this video. Share this video. Dalono.